Welcome to Rides and Vibes. Today, however, we're facing a dilemma. As much as we love Disneyland, 2024 might be a year to consider holding off on your magical visit. 2024 is a year of significant construction at Disneyland, with several attractions and areas undergoing refurbishment and expansion. One of the major closures is Splash Mountain, a beloved classic, which is being transformed into Tiana's Bayou Adventure, inspired by the hit film Princess and the Frog. This transformation promises to bring in new magic to the park, but also means that Splash Mountain will be closed for the majority of 2024, disappointing of those who are looking forward for the thrill of that iconic log fume ride. Additionally, Haunted Mansion will also be closed for a significant period of 2024. This closure is due to an extensive exterior expansion and upgrade project, which aims to enhance the spooky allure of this beloved attraction. Let's not forget any other rides that will be closed for maintenance during 2024. Then, we have the dreaded ride breakdown. Indy, I'm talking to you, and also Rise of the Resistance. A couple of rides that always seem to be broken down every time I visit Disneyland. And then that's just going to add more stress to the lines and the queues at Disneyland in 2024. In 2025, Disneyland celebrates a milestone, its 70th anniversary. This historic occasion promises to bring unprecedented magic and festivities to the park. From special parades and shows to limited time merchandise and food offerings, Disneyland's 70th anniversary is shaping up to be a once in a lifetime experience for Disney fans of all ages. So if you can hold off on your Disneyland adventure for one more year, 2025 offers the promise of a truly unforgettable experience as we celebrate the 70 years of magic, memories, and imagination at the happiest place on earth. Disneyland has always been a place where dreams come true. Since its opening in 1955, the park has been a symbol of joy, creativity and innovation, captivating the hearts of millions around the world. The Imagineers, the creative minds behind Disney's magic, are certainly working to enhance the park's attractions and experiences. This commitment to innovation is what keeps Disneyland a timeless destination for all guests of all ages.
Well, it came about when my daughters were very young, and Saturday was always Daddy's Day with the two daughters. So we'd start out and try to go someplace with, different things, and I take them to the merry-go-round, and I took them different places. And as I'd sit there while they rode the merry-go-round, did all these things, sit on a bench, eating peanuts, I felt that there should be something built, some kind of an amusement enterprise built where that the parents and the children could have fun together. So that's how Disneyland started. Well, it took many years. It was a whole period of maybe 15 years developing I started with many ideas, threw them away, started all over again, and eventually it evolved into what you see today as Disneyland. But it all started from A daddy with two daughters wondering where he could take them, where he could have a little fun with them too.
In recent years, Disneyland has also been focusing on sustainability and environmental conservation. The park has implemented various initiatives to help reduce waste, conserve energy, and protect the environment, ensuring that the magic of Disneyland can be enjoyed by future generations. Disneyland's influence extends far beyond its gates, shaping popular culture and inspiring countless works of art, music, and literature. The park's iconic attractions, characters, and stories have become a beloved part of our cultural heritage, cherished by fans young and old. Whether you choose to wait for 2025 or embark on your Disneyland journey in 2024, one thing is certain: the magic of Disneyland will always endure, bringing joy and wonder to all who visit this enchanting place.